So, hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a you versus them current energy check in for all the Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Venus rising, and it is just current energy check in. There's no timeline. Roles can be reversed also, and it might or might not resonate as it's general. Okay, so let's start. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. Scorpio on your side, let's see what we have. We have the Page of Wands, a Magician, and the Queen of Pentacles. So you are taking baby steps towards your manifestation of having a beautiful, grounded, mature, stable, and safe kind of connection, safe kind of life. And you are just enjoying the process. You are just enjoying the journey because the baby steps you are taking are making you feel like, okay, one day at a time, one moment at a time, and you are good to go. And it's actually giving you a sense of that someday you are going to get there because you are not pushing it, you are not forcing it, you are just letting it be. And that is actually the real essence of manifestation, where you just clearly know what you want and work for that like a kid. The more you are going to be like a kid, innocent like a kid, and living your life moment to moment, the more your manifestations are going to become uh, closer and closer to the 3D world, to you as a human. So yeah, you are doing it really beautifully. It's not about love and relationship area only. In general also, you feel like you are ready to manifest a beautiful, stable, safe, and secure future for yourself, including actually every area of your life, and you are just doing it beautifully like a kid. Awesome. Nice. Let's see the energy attached to you, Scorpio, what they are up to. We have the Six of Swords, the Death and Rebirth, and the Wheel of Fortune. Hmm. This is someone who is trying to let it go, but they're still carrying a lot of past baggages with them, and they're realizing they're not able to do that anymore. So they are just surrendering to the divine. Maybe it was someone who was trying to force to let it go, let it go, let it go, but not being able to do that. Now, eventually, they are realizing that they can't do it forcibly, so they are surrendering to the divine. They are all about, okay, whatever the divine, whatever the universe is going to do, I'm just going to go with the flow. And they're just trying to wait for the time when the wheel is going to turn in their favor, and they will be able to get over this situation, get over this transformation that's in process, and be at peace. Okay, so somebody is still trying to release your energies from their energy field. Meanwhile, you are out of that and you are enjoying your chapter, your journey like a kid, like a beautiful innocent soul. Awesome, nice. Let's see for the connection what we have, Scorpio. We have the Five of Pentacles, the Page of Pentacles, the Three of Cups. See, there's a lot of pain in the situation, that even if you guys are going to, make a decision to stick around and at least be friends only, this situation is not going to go beyond a certain level of friendship or beyond a certain level of connection. It's like one of those situations where it's teaching you something individually and as a, you know mutual energy as well, but this situation is not the one that's meant for the lifetime, that's meant for you guys are like meant for each other kind of a deal. No, at some point of time it might happen that you're going to cross the paths again with each other, but that time also it's going to be a friendship based on, okay, let's just hang out, or a connection based on maybe work kind of situation, or just having fun or hanging out kind of a situation. But the pain is going to remain, the pain is not going to go anywhere. This is one of those situations where you are just learning the lessons from each other, from the situation, and walking on your own individual paths and finding it out for yourself. Okay. I don't see this connection, this situation going beyond a certain level, even if you guys try to. So it's better to accept the truth and the reality that you are already doing and they are also doing it. But for the connection, I don't see going beyond a certain point. I'm not saying anything, it's not possible to come back together, but it's going to be again a situation of, okay, together for some time, then splitting apart. For you, the guidance is the Ten of Swords. Yeah, the worst is over, Scorpio. The worst is over. The sun is going to shine again. The green is going to feel more greener again. Life is going to smile at you again. This is the end of a very painful cycle of your life, maybe multiple areas of your life. And now the universe is kind of giving you a clean slate. Now, whatever you are going to write on the slate is up to you. But again, you are telling me that you are practicing innocence, you are taking life moment to moment, you are enjoying this. Just stay there as much as you can in this feeling, in this energy, because most of us have forgotten this beautiful energy of being like a kid. Hmm? Stay there. Good. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.